All right, Dean here. So I buy cool stuff, and I bought some skillets a while back. So I'm going to clean the skillets and show you what we got. So let's flip it around. We'll clean the skillets the way I clean them. Not saying it's right or wrong, just saying this is how I do it. So I've got a Wagner here, pretty raunchy. Got a nice early Wagner here, again, pretty dirty. Got one here, so dirty cannot even see what it is. So we're going to take these 3 skillets, and my daughter and I got a little fire started, and the kid, she just chucks stuff up here. Quit chucking stuff, put it up here straight. I get abused. So we're going to put the skillets up here on the fire, and we're going to let the fire take care of cleaning them. So we're just cleaning up yard scraps, and they'll be clean when we're done. I'll show you. So we're done for right now. I'll be back in a little bit, maybe 15 to maybe half an hour. All right, so we're back. You can see by the fact that they're all white ash that all the grease is burned off. So I'm gonna fish them out of there and let them cool. All right, so this is the one that was really heavy, that you couldn't read nothing at all on, and it says 10 and a half inch skillet made in USA. This one here is the early Wagner. And like I said, this is a nice early skillet. Number 8. Number 8, that's a beautiful old skillet. This one here is also a Wagner. And all right, Dean here, and already cleaned them skillets, and I'm going to show you what we ended up with. Baked them in the oven, and just a little bit of vegetable oil on them. They came out pretty good, no complaints. So let's see what we got. So this is the 10 and a half inch made in USA. It come out pretty good. We'll list that one at the store at about a $10 bill. This was the best of the 3. It's a nice early Wagner. And it's in beautiful shape, beautiful smooth finish inside. And it turned out good. And these skillets get darker as you use them. So this is a lot newer Wagner than the other one. And it turned out very nice. Very nice finish inside. So, but they're ready to sell now. Obviously, this one and this one will be much more than this one. This one will be $10. I'll probably put about 30 or 40 on this one. This one here would be a $20 bill. And if you look back in my videos, you'll see another one where I bought all these skillets in a bunch of Dutch ovens. So we'll talk to you later.